Hello everyone, I am Shubham. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell how to create the Google Forms in mobile phone. Let's begin. First, open the Chrome. In search, type as drive.google.com. And press enter. So this is your Google Drive. Now click on the three dots which are at top right corner. And there is an option as desktop site. Please mark on that. So now the Google Drive is opened in desktop mode. Zoom it. There is an option as new with plus sign. Click on that. Now click on more and then click on Google Forms. So we have opened Google Form now. Now you can create anything what you want. For example, it is used for online exams, MCQs, feedback forms, registration forms, and for many purposes. So we will take a quiz competition. So this is untitled form. We will type here as quiz competition. And below that there is description. You can enter something about competition here. We will add something here as organized by YouTube. We will add the time duration. Something as 9 AM to 10 AM. And we will add something as answer all the questions. Yes, enough. Then next, first if we want some details of candidate, we will type first as email address. If you want email to be mandatory, you can click on settings here. So it will be mandatory. I don't want it to be mandatory. I will change it by clicking on change settings and unmark it. Collect the email address. We will unmark it and click on save. So we will not keep this as mandatory. So to proceed further, there is a plus sign at bottom. Click on that. We will type question as name in capital letters. Below that there is an option as required. You can turn it on. It is mandatory if we turn this on. This means if we will not enter our name, the form will not be submitted. To add next, again click on the plus sign. We will type question as name of institution. If you want this to be mandatory, you can turn this required option on. Again click on plus sign. Next we will type as contact number. Next we can add questions from here to start the quiz competition. Click on plus sign again and enter question. We will enter something as who is PM of can choose from here like this in what way we want answer. If we want in short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload and many more. So we will select it as multiple choice. We can insert image also here if we want like this. We don't want it. We will add options for the question now. We can add how much we want. We will take 4 options. Fourth option we will keep it as none of this. Now I have entered all the 4 options. So after completing it, below the question there is an option as required on it. It means without answering this question we won't be able to submit this form. So to add the next question, there is plus symbol at the bottom. Click on that. We will add next question. We will type it as, we will take it, add 2 plus 6. This we will select it as check boxes. It means if the question has 2 answers in multiple choice, so we will enter the 4 options. We have entered now, so even on this required option here. So next we will move further. At bottom there are few options like add question, import questions, add text and description, add title and description, add image, add video, add section. So we will add section here. That is, if we want next part in it, we will name this as descriptive. That is, this part will be in descriptive. Click on plus sign. We will take one question. We will type this as what is transformer, and we will choose this as paragraph. If you want this question to be mandatory, turn the required option on. This I will not on here. Now next, if you want some file to upload in this form, click on this plus sign. Type as upload file. And choose here as file upload. Here you can select file types which you want, like PDF, image or video which you want. You can select the number of files. You can select the file size from here. If you want this to be mandatory, you can turn the required option on. Once you have completed with your requirements, can go to the paint symbol which is above the form. Click on this. You can choose the header image from here. Work and school, we will select this. Click on insert. You can choose any you can choose the theme color from here and background color also. You can select font style from here. After selecting how you want, click on apply. Now click on the three dots here and go to settings. Here go to presentation, mark on show progress bar and save it. Once it is done, click again on three dots here and click on preview. Now you can view it, your Google form which you have created here. You see next. It's not going to next because the name is mandatory. The star symbol indicates that it is mandatory, so we'll enter the name. Even this is mandatory, so we'll answer this and go to next. Answer this in descriptive and also upload the file and click on submit. Now our response is recorded. Once we will preview it, now we'll go where we are creating this form. It's correct now, so click here on send option. This is send option. Click on it. You can send from here by typing emails to whom you want to send, or you can click beside this here. Now we can copy this link and paste it or send it through WhatsApp. So we'll copy it from here and paste it where you want. We'll share on WhatsApp. I will paste it here. Now if we click on this link, it will open the form which we have created. So add details, email address, name in capital letters. This is mandatory, so we have to add this. Name of the institution, contact number. This is mandatory because there is a star symbol, so answer this. Even this is mandatory. So answer the questions which are mandatory. Answer this. There is no star symbol here, so this is not mandatory question. And now click, after answering the questions, click on submit. So now our responses have been recorded. So we are done with creating the Google form. In this way I have explained in detail how to create the Google form. I hope you guys understood this. Please like and share my video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. See you guys in next video.